For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to set copper rivets. Copper rivets are a good choice to use for one-sided projects since these are not double capped, meaning the back won't show in the design. It's a good style choice for holsters, dog collars, sheath holders, and lots of other things. Step 1. Get the right tools. You'll need number 9 copper rivets and matching burr, copper rivet setter, end cutting nipper, a hand tool, hole punch, and a rawhide mallet. Step 2. Punch a hole and insert the rivet. We're using scrap leather to punch a hole using a 5/32 inch punch. Next, insert the rivet with the flat side against the table. Use the rivet setter and place the open hole side over the rivet post and use a mallet to hammer down the burr. Step 3. Trim the rivet and set the burr. With an end cutting nipper, cut off the remaining rivet post sticking out. Keep about an 1/8 inch. Use the rounded part of the rivet setter to peen the burr using a mallet. This should look rounded and is set. Ours is not quite as round as it should be. For heavy-duty projects, you can use a hammer to flatten out the rest of the post to ensure max stability. And there you have it, how to set a copper rivet. Try it for yourself. Find all of these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.